Okay, just to keep you up on what I'm doing, I took the tail section off. The bolt here, a bolt here, a bolt here, a bolt here. Brings the tail section up. Then your toolbox right here, bolt here, and then here are my two igniters. Right? Okay, so now we'll go after this lower fairing, 4 bolts straight forward. This will expose our lower radiator to give us to the drain. And if you ever have to get to that vent to get any rock straightened out of there. All right, now we'll go to the top. This is going to be 5 bolts, 1 on each side, 3 on the bottom. I had a GoPro mount in the middle. I didn't even see that third bolt there for a second, but got that out. Slides right off the front. We got 1 bolt on the side, 3 on the bottom, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. And then finally over here on the other side. All right, so I'm going to completely take apart this bike and rebuild it. Hopefully you'll join me on my journey and you'll like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.